Om Sri Sai Ram. Thought for the day as written in Prashanthi Nilayam on Thursday, 1st March 2018. It must be explained to people who come to Prashanthi Nilayam that silence is the very first rung of the ladder of spiritual endeavour and the hallmark of this place. From here, they must learn to make every place, wherever they are, a Prashanthi Nilayam. Loud talk disturbs those who practice namasmarana, that is, remembrance of Lord's name, or meditation, dhyana, or recitation, japam. Noise breeds further noise. This is a workshop where damaged minds and hearts come for repair or overhaul. In workshops, there will be the din of hammer, the clang of wheel, the whirr of engine, and the clatter of chains. In this workshop, only the whisper of the name of God should be heard. With new parts fitted and new coats of paint, cars emerge out of the workshop as good as new, and they run smoothly without trouble for miles and miles. People must find Prashanthi Nilayam as a workshop of persons who are weary, travel-worn, or about to enter upon a long journey. Divine Discourse, February 24th, 1965. Baba.